Hello, myself Sabyasachi Ghosh from Department of I.T.I, Government I.T.I.
Today, I am here with an exclusively new topic, that is sources of acetylene. In general, welders around the globe uses two different sources of acetylene for oxyacetylene gas welding process. Those are acetylene storage cylinder and acetylene generator. Now, first we'll look into the details of first one, that is acetylene storage cylinder. From its name, it is clear that acetylene storage cylinder is a type of cylinder which is used to store the acetylene gas. So it is basically a storage device which store acetylene and release it when required. But the process is not so easy as it sounds to be. Free acetylene is highly unstable and likely to explode when it is kept at a pressure more than 200 kilopascal. Hence, acetylene is stored inside a strong cylinder that is filled with 80 to 85% with porous material such as calcium silicate or Ca2SiO4, and then filled with acetone, which can absorb up to 420 times of its volume of acetylene at a pressure of 1.75 megapascal. It is expected that acetylene molecules fit between acetone molecules, which help to store acetylene at much higher pressure than its free form. Acetylene would be released from acetone at slow rate that prevent to form any pocket of high pressure acetylene, which make it possible to store a unstable gas like acetylene to store at such a high pressure of 1.75 megapascal safely. This was the detailed information of acetylene storage cylinder. Now come to our second source of acetylene, which is not only a cheaper alternative but also much safer alternative of previous one. Yes, I am talking about acetylene generator. Acetylene generator is a storage device which based on the principle of an outstanding chemical reaction between calcium carbide and water. Calcium carbide is basically a chemical compound which generates acetylene instantly upon contact with water. Chemical reaction between calcium carbide and water produce not only acetylene gas but produce calcium hydroxide or caustic lime as precipitate. Chemical reaction takes place is as shown into the screen. Chemical reaction clearly shows that calcium carbide reacts with water and produce acetylene gas as well as calcium hydroxide. Now look into the schematic cutaway view of acetylene generator. Here we can see a cylinder which is partially filled by water. The calcium carbide is stored into a hopper near the top of the generator. When calcium carbide and water came into contact, reaction starts instantly and acetylene starts to produce. As acetylene gas floats out of water, it is stored at upper portion of the generator and released through the hose pipe in controlled manner with the help of regulator valve. To indicate the pressure of generated acetylene gas, an indicator gauge is also attached with the generator. The acetylene is taken out of generator with the help of pipeline as shown in the figure. The generator would be permitted to produce acetylene at a much safer pressure of 100 kilopascal. So this was the detailed information on acetylene generator. Hope this topic is able to clarify your conception. Keep watching for the next video for another important topic on gas welding. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.